This promises to be a momentous occasion. You are about to meet the newest member of your team. As you are aware, the Green Ranger's power was completely decimated by his last few battles. Alpha and I felt it was time to create an even more powerful Ranger to combat Lord Zed and his diabolical evil. To that end, a candidate was selected, and a new Power Ranger was created. And now, my friends, I present to you...
Yes, finally, a new planet where I will be the dominant creature. I've escaped the bounds of the Autobots. Now, it's time for destruction.
Not on our watch. I don't know who you are, Purple Dude, but it's time for you to go back to where you came from.
Ooh, I know who he is. He's that purple singing dinosaur that plays with the kids.
Oh yeah, I see it now. Well, you've got the wrong stage and studio. You want to go to Lot B for that TV production.
You idiots! I'm no singing dinosaur. I'm Megatron, leader of the Decepticons and the new ruler of this planet.
Decepti what now? There's no need to fear. We can explain who this evildoer is. Megatron is a villain to the Autobots. So to sum it up, we are the good guys and he's the bad guy. And I am Optimus Primal.
And I'm Cheetor, like Cheetos. Like, you know, the chips that you eat. Just take out the S and substitute it with an R, then you get Cheetor. That's me. Oh, that makes total sense now. Well, I guess we should probably team up and roast his anus. Yeah, let's roast his anus!
Autobots, Power Rangers! Roll out!
Oh no, not my booty!
It was a pleasure working with you guys. Consider us friends, especially since we are owned by the same company. Yes, we are friends indeed. Until next time, keep roasting anuses.